Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to link Google Forms to Google Sheet. So let's get started. So if you want to link your Google Forms to your Google Sheets, then what you can do is you can follow some easy steps. First, open up your browser. After opening up your browser, now in search bar you have to search for forms.google.com. And after searching for that, now you'll access your form. So you just have to make sure that you're logged into your account. And after logging into your account now, just create a form if you don't have one. So if you already have a form, then what you can do is just select it. And after selecting it, now if you want to change your Google Forms to your Google Sheets, then what you can do is just simply tap on response and it's already done. So what you have to do is just simply tap on view in Sheets. And after tapping on view in Sheets, you will find every single information that has been saved in Sheets. So now if you just tap on your forms and then check your reviews, these are the reviews that have been sent to my Google form. So if you want to change all this review and add it in your Google Sheets, then you just have to tap on this option and that will add it. So here you can see guys, this is the time, these are the names, these are the emails, addresses, phone numbers and comments. So in this way, you can also access your Google Form sheets by following these steps. So that's it guys, this is how to link Google Forms to Google Sheets. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.